Hello everyone. I welcome you all my adorable viewers. Friends, today we are going to discuss palindrome, meaning, types and examples of the same. First of all, we will discuss what is palindrome. Palindrome is a word, phrase or number that reads the same forward and backward. It means palindrome ਇੱਕ word ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ phrase ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਇੱਕ number ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਗੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਸੇਮ ਹੀ ਰਹੇਗਾ. ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਇਜ਼ ਮੋਮ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੇ ਮੋਮ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹੋ ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਰਿਮੇਨ ਦ ਸੇਮ. ਵਾਓ. ਐਂਡ ਦ ਨੰਬਰ ਇਜ਼ 41514. There are many examples like that. So simply you may say palindrome is a word, phrase or number that reads the same forward and backward. We are going to discuss types of palindromes now. Basically, palindromes are of two types. The first one is word unit palindromes and the second one is one-line palindromes. Word unit palindromes are those palindromes which read the same way in terms of words. Means in this type we are going to discuss words only. And the examples are madam, Malayalam, refer, noon, race car, test and level. So just to have a look at the words, you will see that the words will remain same whether you read the same backward or forward. Means ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ words ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਗੋਂ ਪੜੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਪੜੋ they will remain the same. So these are some examples of word unit palindromes. And the second type is one-line palindromes. One-line palindromes are those palindromes which read the same way in terms of line or sentence. It means we are going to talk about line or sentence in this type. Examples are, was it a cat I saw? If you start reading the sentence backward, it will remain same. Was it a cat I saw? Then, do geese see God? Geese, what is the meaning of geese? Geese is a plural of goose. Goose is a white bird that is kept basically in farms for meat, etc. In Punjabi, we call this word hans. Then, nurses run. No lemon, no melon. Start reading the sentence backward. No lemon, no melon. And the last one is steps on, no pets. So in all these sentences, if you read these sentences backward or forward, they will remain the same. So these are the examples of one-line palindromes. After this, we are going to talk about palindromic number. A palindromic number is a number that remains the same when its digits are reversed. Example is 16461. Means palindromic number ਉਹ number ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ digits ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਪੜੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਅੱਗੋਂ ਪੜੋ but the number will remain same. Examples of palindromic number: 1534351, 12321, 484, 10201, 10001. So these are some examples of palindromic numbers. Now we are going to talk about palindromes regarding dates. A day or timestamp is a palindrome when its digits are the same when reversed. And what is the meaning of timestamp? Timestamp is a digital record of the time of occurrence of a particular event. Examples are 9, 10, 19. You may read it backward as well as forward. It will remain same. 9, 11, 19, 9, 12, 19. There are many more examples regarding this. Have a look at the poem now. The given poem is a beautiful example of palindromes. Poem starts, life is joy, brightly shone she, knowing not if what happened never happened. Would it change things? Maybe. Circling thoughts. Did it happen? Pondered. Happen it did. Thoughts circling. Maybe things change. It would. Happened? Never happened? What if? Not knowing, she shone brightly. Joy is life. So if you read the poem backward also, it will remain the same. And one more thing that is very much important in case of palindromes, that we never consider any punctuation mark like any comma, full stop, sign of interrogation or exclamation mark. Means comma, full stop, sign of interrogation or exclamation mark ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਪੈਲਿੰਡਰੋਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. We don't consider the same. So friends, that was all about palindromes to the best of my knowledge. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you very much, one and all, for listening to me.